Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Rewardy application on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Android Google Play Store on your device. And now, once you're in the home page, tap on the search box at the top section and then type in Rewardy and start your search. Once you find the Rewardy application, tap on it and you will see the install button if you haven't already installed it. Go ahead and tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Rewardy application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Rewardy application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.